This video tutorial I will explain what is a hash. Imagine you have a favorite snack in your kitchen, like a bag of chips. Instead of going to store every time you want a snack, you can keep a small supply of chips in a special drawer in your kitchen. This drawer is like your hash. Now whenever you are hungry and want a snack, you don't have to make trip to the store to get the snack. What you can do is you can quickly grab a bag of chips from your hash, which is nothing but the special drawer in your kitchen, and it is convenient and it saves a lot of time. In the world of computers, the hash works similarly like kitchen drawer which has snacks. Hash is a small high-speed storage space that stores frequently used information from your computer's memory. Instead of fetching information from the main memory, which takes more time, the computer can quickly access it from the hash. This speeds up task and makes your computer work more efficiently, just like having your favorite snack ready in your kitchen drawer. So in simple terms, hash is like quick access storage area that helps your computer run faster by keeping important data close at hand, just like your stash of snacks in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.